Gaoce diamond wire crystal silicon slicer, used in the slicing process of silicon wafer manufacturing. High precision wire feeding system, achieving minimal tension fluctuations, creating higher cutting efficiency. It is more adaptable to thinner diamond wire application and thinner wafer production, capable of stable cutting at wire diameters of 18 micrometers or less. It also features multiple reserved automation interfaces for integration with robots. Intelligent AGVs and conveying systems realize automated loading and unloading of materials, leveraging a big data platform to enable intelligent production and refined production control, with lower overall energy consumption in a leading industry position. For more details, please feel free to contact us at any time.